Hello children, myself Hema Malini. Till now we have discussed 3 units of English portions. Today we are going to discuss about 4th unit. And before we start the 4th unit, I would like to ask you a few questions. So I would like to ask you, when do you celebrate Christmas, children? Can anybody tell me? So Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25th. And which tree is decorated during Christmas? Which tree is decorated during Christmas? Can anybody tell me? It is the fir tree which is decorated during Christmas every year. So today we are going to start with unit 4 and the unit name is the Little Fir Tree. Okay children, and before I start the lesson, I would like to explain you the words and its meanings. Masts. Mast means a tall structure on a ship that holds the sails. Sunbeams. Sunbeams means ray of sunlight. Wagons. Cart. So today I will start with the unit, and I want everybody to open your textbooks, page number 28. Point out your fingers as I read and explain it to you. Far away in a forest grew a little fir tree. So long ago in a forest there grew a little fir tree. It was a beautiful tree, but it was not happy. So the tree was very beautiful, but did not feel happy. It did not feel very happy. It wanted to be tall like the other pine and fir trees that grew all around it. So it was not happy because it was very short. As you can see in this picture, this is the short fir tree. Okay, it was very short and it was very beautiful, but it was not at all happy. Or it wanted to grow more tall like pine trees and other fir trees. The children passing by said, "What a pretty little fir tree." So the children who passed by this little fir tree said that what a beautiful fir tree. So they praised the tree. Instead of feeling happy, the tree felt smaller than ever. Instead of feeling very happy, children, the little fir tree felt very sad. And it did not feel, and it was unhappy. Instead of feeling happy, the tree felt smaller than ever. It did keep growing. All trees grew, but it wanted to grow very fast. It also grew taller, but it wanted to grow very fast. But it wanted to grow very fast. It wanted the birds to build their nests in their branches. So what it wanted? It wanted the birds to build the nests in its branches. It watched the branches. It said, "How I wish I could be tall and spread out my branches and look at the world around me." So what did the fir tree thought, children? It wanted to grow tall and it wanted to see the world around it by growing tall. To make it feel worse, the hares used to jump over it. So you know children, the little fir tree was very short and the hares used to jump and play and it used to the hares used to touch its branches and it used to play. They used to play around the fir tree, which the fir tree did not like it. Slowly the tree grew tall and the hares had to run around it, but it was still not happy. Slowly what happened, children? As we grow, see for example, we will be a baby in the earlier days. Then what will happen? We will start crawling, then we will start walking, and we start growing. The same way this fir tree also started to grow, and the hares which used to jump around it when it was short. So now what they did? They just started playing around the fir tree. But still the fir tree was not happy. It watched the branches of the other fir trees being cut down by the woodcutters. What did the fir tree do, children? The fir tree watched the other trees cut down by the woodcutter. It saw just the tall, slim trunks of the trees and wondered what would become of them. So it was wondering the other fir trees nearby it were cut down by the woodcutter, and it kept on worrying what would the woodcutter do with the trees which have been cut down. It was worrying too much about it. Then it saw just a tall, slim trunk of the trees and wondered what would become of them. It asked the swallows. So what happened? It was worrying too much. It asked the swallow. Swallow is the bird, children. It asked the swallows, but they didn't know. So the swallows also didn't know about it. It asked the straw. It asked the straw. It asked the straw, and it said, I flew across the sea and saw the tall masts of ships. Maybe they are made of the trunks of fir trees. So what happened, children? The fir tree was very much worried because it saw the other fir trees cut down. Other fir trees nearby. This is the little fir tree, and the other fir trees were cut down, and it was worried. It was worried what would happen to the trees which were cut down. So it asked the swallows. Swallows are the birds. It asked the swallows, and swallows also told they didn't know. And it asked the storks. It asked the storks. Storks also is a bird. Then what did the stork say? The stork said it flew far away in the sky and it saw that the masts. What is the mast, children? Mast is the tall structure on ship that holds the sails. For example, you know how ships are, children? They are very big, and you see that there are layers are built to maintain the structure of the ship, just to hold the ship straight and in a good position. That is called as mast. So what the stork said that these trees which have been cut are used to make the masts to build the ship. Understood, children? So let us see what happens next. The sunbeam said, "Be happy that you are young." The wind kissed the tree and the dewdrops fell upon it. But the tree didn't bother about them. So what did the sunbeam do, children? Here sunbeam means here ray of a sunlight. So the sunbeam, what it said to the fir tree? It said to be happy, and it asked the fir tree to be happy. And the wind kissed the tree. Kiss the tree means wind just blew on the tree. Blew its air on the tree, and the dewdrops fell on the leaves. So dewdrops means what, children? Dewdrops are the small drops which fall on the trees and on the leaves, and it looks very beautiful in the early morning. So what these do, children? They just try to cheer up the fir tree because it was unhappy. For example, if you are not keeping well, so if you are sad, what happens, children? Your friends will help you to cheer up by saying some jokes or sharing their experiences, just to cheer you up, just to make you come out of that sadness. In the same way, here also the sunbeam, the wind and the dewdrops try to cheer up the fir tree, but the fir tree was not at all happy. That year at Christmas time, some young trees were cut down along with their branches. So that year was a Christmas time, and what happened, children? That some of the young trees were cut down along with the branches. The woodcutters placed them on wagons and took them away. The fir tree didn't know where they were going. So wagons means what, children? Here wagons are the carts. Wagons. What did the woodcutters do, children? They cut the tree along with the branches and they carried on in a cart or wagons. And the little fir tree was very much worried what they would do with the branches and the trees. So let us see what happens. We know, said the little brown sparrows. They are going for Christmas to a great houses in the city. They will be decorated with candles and bells, stars and colorful shiny balls. So what did the little sparrows tell fir tree? They told that the trees which were cut down, they would be carried to a big houses where the tree were decorated with the shiny balls, with the candles, stars, colorful shiny balls. So here the branches, the fir trees were cut on along with the branches and they were taken to a great house. See, children, these are the trees here. They used to cut down the trees along with the branches and taken to a big houses where the tree was decorated with the stars, bells and colorful toys. And then what happens? Asked the little fir tree. So the little fir tree was very curious to know about it, and it asked the little sparrows what would happen after decoration to the trees. We don't know about that, said the sparrows. What did the sparrows tell? Sparrows told the fir tree that they did not know what would happen after the decoration. Oh, when will it be Christmas again? said the tree. I too want to go to a great big house. I also want to be decorated. So the little fir tree was very much curious when it knew that the branches were cut on the tree was cut on along with the branches and they were taken to a great house and they were decorated beautifully. So it also wanted to be decorated beautifully. So it asked to itself, when will the Christmas comes and when will I be cut and when will I be decorated? It started dreaming about it. So to that, what happens? Be happy with us, said the air and the sun. Enjoy your life in the fresh air. So when the fir tree started dreaming about decorating itself during Christmas time, the air and the sun asked the fir tree to be happy and enjoy the fresh air, and it asked to be happy. So let us see in the next class what happens to the fir tree. Thank you.